Hello, Walter. How are you doing? Huh? He doesn't want to smile, apparently, huh?
Smile and seker.
No, no way. No way. This is the whole of your family, or what?
Yeah.
Huh? You have 2 children?
Yeah.
It's enough for the moment, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
And what's your name? You already told it, but I forgot. Oh, I have to come closer.
Tauris.
Say it again, please.
My name is Takana Manyengedzo.
Ah, good. I'm pleased to meet you. You shake my hand?
Born.
Good. Hello.
I'm fine.
I will not ask him.
And
All right, lad. Huh?
And this little one is called Margaret.
Margaret.
Yeah, Margaret. Yeah.
Aha, it's a nice name.
Yeah.
And how old are they?
This one is 7 years old, and this one 2 years old.
Aha. And Mama is hiding, huh?
Yeah.
Mama is hiding. Ah. She's coming from the dark.
And this is my wife,
Uh-huh.
Mary Gold.
All right.
Mary Gold Manyengedzo, yeah.